Age 25, salary 30,000 and savings 0. Can you still become a crorepati? Let's find out. What if I told you even with this salary, you could become a crorepati in the next 15 years? I know it sounds like one of those clickbait lines, but today I'm gonna show you how it is 100% possible. No lottery, no shortcut, just smart planning. Let's go. Let's take a Shyam story. Shyam is 25 years old. He's from Delhi, just moved to Bangalore. First job in a private company. Take home salary 30,000 rupees a month. And now you'll ask, bro, Bengaluru city, 30,000 rupees salary, what's left to save? But wait, here's how Shyam manages. PG with food, 7,000 rupees. Travel by BMTC or metro, 1,500 rupees. Recharge, toothpaste, daily needs, 2,200 rupees. Movies, Swiggy, weekend biryani, all of that, 3,000 rupees. Health insurance, 700. Term insurance, 600. So the total expenses are 15,000 rupees a month. Leftover, 50,000 rupees savings. Now don't say it's impossible, okay? Because honestly, half of us spend more just scrolling through Amazon, Flipkart and Zomato, right? Now comes the power move. Investing 15,000 rupees a month in SIP. Just like Netflix debits your account every month, this SIP will quietly build your future. Equity mutual funds, 15,000 rupees every month for 15 years. Assuming average 12% returns, total money you invest is 27 lakh rupees. Total money you get is more than 75 lakh rupees. That's like you invest Maruti Swift money, but end up with a Fortuner, a Goa trip, and some extra money as well. But wait, it gets better. Let's say every year you increase your SIP by 10%. Why? Because your salary will grow, right? So, first year, 15,000 rupees. Second year, 16,500. Third year, 18,150, and so on. This is called Step Up SIP. 15 years later, your total investment is equal to 57 lakhs. Expected returns more than 71 lakhs. Total amount 1.29 crore rupees. Yes, from 30k salary to 1.29 crore rupees. No jugaad, just patience and proper planning. But before you go all SIP, hooray! One important thing, build an emergency fund first. Minimum 6 months of expenses. For Shyam, monthly expense was 15,000 rupees, so emergency fund would be 90,000 rupees. Keep it in a savings account or a liquid fund because life can turn anytime, so plan well. Also, don't skip insurance. Health insurance, because one hospital visit can wipe out your savings like anything. Term life insurance, especially if you've got responsibilities. Remember, investing is smart, but protecting is smarter. So what's the moral of the story? You don't need a 6-digit salary to start building wealth. You need 3 things: discipline, a simple plan, and time on your side. Shyam did it, so you can too. No excuses, okay? Now tell me in the comments, how much do you earn and how much do you actually honestly save? And if this video gave you even 1% inspiration, like it, share it, and subscribe for more such stories that grow your money and not your worries. This is not financial advice, it's financial awareness. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And there's one great news for everyone. You get 1 year access to our Bosswala app at just 999, where you get 500 plus courses in 6 different languages, so you can start and better your entrepreneurial journey anytime, anywhere.
Bosswala. Be the boss.